Are you ready to buy a home? Let me walk you through how to figure that out. To make it simple, here are a few questions that can help you decide if you're ready. Do you have a stable job? Knowing that you have money coming in, it can help put your mind at ease in making such a large purchase. Have you figured out what you can afford? You need to understand what it's going to take. If you haven't talked to a lender yet, that's a really good place to start, and we can help you with that. Do you have emergency fund? You want to make sure you still have enough money left in the bank afterward to have safety net in case of an emergency. How long do you plan to live in the place? The general rule of thumb is that you want to live there for at least 5 years to make it worth your investment. If you want to talk to a pro like me about whether you're ready to take the plunge, I'm here to help you. So let's chat. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. Give me a call for a buyer's consultation, 773-550-4846.